Hi, I'm Lisa Baldacchino and I'm a product manager at UpGuard looking after vendor risk. In this past quarter, we've made big improvements to vendor risk end-to-end risk management workflows. Today, I'm excited to provide you with insights on leveraging UpGuard for the long-term tracking and management of your third-party risks, highlighting recent enhancements that further streamline these risk management tasks within the platform. I'm going to start by running through the ways in which risks are captured against third parties in vendor risk. This will illustrate how UpGuard serves as an effective tool for systematically managing risks from diverse sources and across various categories for monitored vendors. UpGuard automatically generates risks using the following methods. Firstly, risks based on threats and issues in a vendor's external attack surface are captured through our automated scanning and broken down into 5 categories: website security, network security, brand reputation risk, phishing and malware risk, and email security. Secondly, risks generated from questionnaires. Questionnaires have the capacity to identify risks that automated scanning may not detect, encompassing aspects like privacy, incident management policies, and secure work practices. UpGuard security questionnaires come equipped with automatically generated risks and compensating control fields. In addition to the automated risks raised through scanning and questionnaires, vendor risk gives you the flexibility to upload additional evidence documents and raise risk against them. Assessing and raising risk against additional evidence documentation presents a number of opportunities to improve and broaden your risk management activities within vendor risk. Firstly, uploading and assessing security documentation like a SOC 2 report or penetration tests can validate and add insights obtained from automated scanning and questionnaires. And in some instances, this approach can even replace the need for questionnaires. For instance, depending on your vendor relationship, a SOC 2 report may offer a comprehensive data set, rendering it sufficient to meet the required control standards. Secondly, because you have the flexibility to upload and assess any document types beyond standard security documentation and certifications, you can broaden the scope of risks captured and assessed, and hence also broaden the risk domains that you can cover within the UpGuard platform. As an example, reports from on-site inspections may expose vulnerabilities and shortcomings in an organisation's physical security protocols and practices, including issues such as insufficient access controls or inadequate data and device storage security. Notes derived from conversations with vendors can uncover potential weaknesses such as process gaps or inconsistencies in the organisation's values and security culture, resulting in elevated level of risk. Or evaluating contractual agreements and legal obligations of third-party entities can reveal risks from potential legal disputes or liabilities relating to security, or a review of publicly accessible quarterly and annual reports may offer insights into geopolitical risks that could impact the organisation's security or provide information on the organisation's dedication to or investment in cybersecurity. UpGuard enables you to upload and securely store this extensive variety of documents using the additional evidence module. You can then flag and evaluate identified risks associated with these documents. These risks can be scored, categorised, and assessed alongside risks originating from questionnaires or automated scanning. Once you're confident that you have gathered ample evidence to address all pertinent controls for a specific vendor, it's actually easy to manage all your risks from within the risk profile or as part of your risk assessment using the risk management workflows embedded within the platform. The ability to request and manage risk remediation within UpGuard has recently been extended to include additional evidence risks, as well as automated scanning and questionnaire risks. As a result, you can now manage and monitor the remediation of a wider range of risks directly from within the platform. Sometimes, in requesting remediation or gathering further information from the vendor, you may find that they provide compensating control information, which may justify the risk being waived, and this can also be managed through the UpGuard platform. In many instances, instead of completely waiving a risk, there may be a risk mitigation strategy or information that leads to a decrease in risk severity. For instance, a company may have preliminary policies or procedures awaiting formal review or audit. In such a scenario, a high risk, initially identified due to the absence of formal policies, may be reassessed as lower in severity given that a plan is in place to address the issue and the draft policy is being adhered to. You now have the capability to lower the risk severity and provide details of mitigation plans associated with the relevant risk directly within the platform. This allows you to adopt a conventional risk management approach, adjusting the level of severity and including comments as risk mitigation measures progress over time. The risk assessment framework in UpGuard captures all these risk management activities, including remediation, managing risk severity and waivers, and adding justifications. You can also add comments pertaining to risks, such as mitigation plans and follow-up actions, and highlight risks you want to focus on as part of your assessment reports, alleviating the need to manage a separate risk management matrix outside of the platform. Thanks for listening, and if you have any questions, reach out to your account manager or via the Q&A.